Meet MINARA, your AI-powered trading partner. Automated, adaptive, and always working in real time.
Hype has surged recently. Can you help me analyze the reasons? MINARA analyzes the full market picture, starting with sentiment, where momentum is shifting from caution to growing optimism. It then identifies how capital is moving, with strong accumulation from large players and increasing activity across the ecosystem. At the same time, macro conditions are turning supportive, creating the perfect environment for risk assets to expand. Aside from the above, are there any recent news about hype that could potentially cause price fluctuations? Also, please focus on analyzing hype's social media sentiment. Putting it all together, MINARA shows that this isn't just short-term excitement, but a combination of structural factors building momentum. Then, it goes deeper. Focusing on hype specifically, it highlights key news catalysts that could impact price. And finally, it analyzes social sentiment in real time, revealing how market psychology and community momentum are shaping the narrative. From market signals, to news, to sentiment, MINARA turns complexity into clarity.
MINARA. Profits don't wait. Neither should you.